I cannot imagine that dito aabot ang balangay na pumasok sa Pasig Libe. But firstly, sabi ko sa inyo kung anong balangay. Ang balangay, yun ang sinakyan ng ating mga ninuno nakatira doon sa mainland Asia. They were as Tunisian as straight. They were at the heart and center of humanity's greatest migration. Tayo ay sa sentro ng humanity's greatest migration na nagpopulate ng Pacific and Indian Ocean. Ang sinakyan nila alamay. Tumira sa Malaysia, Indonesia, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand. Kaya makita yung sakayan na balangay similar to many of these countries. Kasi yung karagatan around us, yung Southeast Asia and South China Sea, are waters that in spite of the normal danger, in spite of mga regular storm, in spite of these challenges, yung karagatan na united us as a people. Yung dagat never divided us. And the same way ito sa Pilipinas. Yung ating karagatan, surf-side lateral highway. We're connected to all of these islands through bridges. Anong bridge natin? Laganay, Arao, Carapua, Binirta. Yun ang tulay that connected us. We live in a thriving and dynamic maritime society. Kaya sinulat ni Rizal yun. Alam mo, what prompted Rizal to research? By the turn of this 19th century, nagdidebate siya sa mga Spanish journalists. Sabi ng mga Espanyol, kayong mga Indio, you are inferior. So ginawa ni Rizal, research siya, punta siya sa London Museum. Pinag-aralan niya yung writings ng mga Kastila. At ano ang nakita nila? Yung mga dayuhan na manunulat. Nang dumating silang nakita ng karagatan, they were gleaming with seacraft of different shape and sizes. Napakaganda ng karagatan. There was so much life, movement, and activities sa karagatan. In short, ang pre-colonial Pilipinas lives in a very dynamic society that is spiritually, culturally, and economically connected to the sea. It was a society. It was a civilization powered by the sea. Yun ang ating mga ninang. We suffered a memory loss. We were robbed of our maritime soul. I call it maritime amnesia. Itong balangay is a way to revive and restore yung ating maritime consciousness. Ang purpose ng balangay is to stir up again interest in Pasig River, stir up interest that we are a maritime people bounded and unified together by the sea. Ito ang balangay, which is a reflection of a proud maritime society na pinagbayabang ni Rizal. Ang ganda ng Pasig River. Anong ginawa natin? This is the heart of the Philippines. Ginawa natin ang downtown ground. We lose the appreciation sa karagatan. Nandito kami, kasama kami na bukuhayan ng espiritu ng Pasig. Hindi ito magawa ng gobyerno lang. Kailangan private sector nandito. Ang project namin ni Sir, gumawa ng balangay made of recycled plastic. Alam ko, real challenge yan. But this is the spirit na talagang tayo magsama-sama. Alam mo, nakakapagod talaga na tayo were so divided. And ang balangay is a symbol of a unified people. So maraming salamat sa LNDA na ito mabubuhay natin na ma-restore back itong Pasig River as a main transport network and then as a proud symbol of our heritage. So on this, maraming salamat.